Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you how to predict the next market direction, but on the 1 minute chart and using my powerful strategy. Okay, so looking at the markets, USD CAD, I'm looking at the 5 minute chart and the 1 minute chart. I do multi-time frame analysis. On USD CAD, the market is giving us lower highs and lower lows. You know, the normal way the market trades. If it gives a low, it's gonna give a high. But the way I'm seeing it, the market is trading down too much, and I'm seeing some good interest from buyers, and sellers are giving me a sign of exhaustion. That long candle looks like an exhaustion candle, so that means sellers are exhausted. The market could trade higher, at least for the next 4 minutes. We could get some buyers entry into the market. So at the close of that candle, perfect, I'm going to go with the higher option for the next 4 minutes. Alright, so why I took this trade is because of the usual way the market is trading. I know it's majorly a downtrend, it's giving us lower highs and lower lows, but because of the exhaustion candle I'm getting from sellers, and the market has made a low, so I'm very optimistic that it's going to make a lower high, and we're going to get some buyers entry into the market. It's a very simple way of analyzing the market, but there are some few things you need to understand about the market structure before you can take such a trade. Okay, so while the trade is running, I just want to inform some of you that are not aware that I have a Telegram community where I post my trades, my daily trades, market updates, some information, some trading tips that is going to help you to develop as a trader. So if you're not in that mentorship, if you're not in that Telegram community, do also check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram community. All right. So one candle down, we got a little bias entry, and we're still expecting more bias into the market. Okay, awesome. Market is still propelling to go higher. Okay, on the 5 minute chart, we just added one candle. It looks quite like a reversal candle. On the 5 minute, that looks like an inverted hammer from sellers. So since it's not too strong, I think buyers are going to come in on the next 2 to 3 candles on the 1 minute chart, because this is a new candle starting out on the 5 minute chart. We just hope we get more buyers. The trend is quite strong from sellers, but I know what I've seen in the market structure, and I'm very optimistic that we're going to get some buyers entry there. So feel free to contact me if you want to learn more about this powerful strategy. Some of you are trying to understand it, and you trade, sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. But to save you the stress of cracking your head too much, you can just send me a message, and we'll go on from there. Okay, we're already on the last candle now, and very good. Buyers are coming in just like I expected. You can see the entry. The entry is quite a sniper entry, well scripted. All right, that's a good one. We have a few seconds more. Okay, interesting. That's quite a good amount of bias at the last second. And wonderful. That was a good item, a clean item. Sometimes you don't need to just blindly follow the trend. You have to understand what the market is doing. You can see that's a good item, a powerful strategy, and a good entry. So I tell people it's not about follow the trend, follow the trend. You just have to know what the market is doing generally. You have to have a bigger picture of the market, and that is what we call the foresight analysis. All right. So that's a good item, and I'm going to take that out, and then I will look out for the next signal. I think the market is kind of like giving a pattern here, a double bottom pattern. So probably the market structure has shifted, and we're going to be getting more of bias into the market. All right. So okay, so I had to pause the video for a while, and now I'm back. We are still on this chart, USD CAD. I'm trying to get the next signals, but that's a level. We are still getting some more bias entry. So now you can see the market structure has shifted into higher highs and higher lows. It's no more going lower highs and lower lows. All right. So with that being said, these are the levels that we're going to be looking out for in the chart. I like to go with a 1 minute trade here. Since we're getting more momentum towards the upside direction, I can just join buyers and the market should trade higher. Okay, that's a dodgy candlestick. It's going to serve as a continuation. I'm going to go higher. Oh, my entry was not good enough, but it's okay. So I took a higher option here because the market structure has shifted into higher highs and higher lows. And we have seen the retracement, and now the market wants to make a higher high. We're getting more momentum to the upside, and the next candle was a dodgy candle. So it was not, it's going to serve as a continuation because my next level is up there. And I believe we're going to get one more bias entry. My entry is not good enough, but it's okay. Hopefully, buyers are going to come in the last second. Okay, we have a few seconds more. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. I won that trade, and that was an ITM. Buyers came in at the last second, and we have been growing our account consistently over time, and it has been a wonderful experience. So I took two trades here, all ITM, one with powerful strategy and the other with 1 minute predictions. So you can see my trading history. It has been consistent profit. So if it's the first time, do not to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and hit the like button. All right. If you want to learn more, do not to contact me. My contact details are below. I'm going to teach you how to trade professionally and make consistent profit. So next time, I wish you all good luck, good trading. Peace. Bye for now.